Imagine this, a single neuron in your brain. It can't understand language, it can't make decisions, it can't feel emotions. But somehow, billions of these simple cells together creates you, your thoughts, your emotions, your intelligence. And it leads to different behaviors.
Namaste. Namaste.
How is that even possible? To understand how intelligence can emerge from billions of simple neurons, we need one important puzzle piece, that is emergence. Emergence means complex behavior can arise from simple parts. It looks something like this.
Soldiers, protect your heads.
Okay, now this. This. A flock of starling flying in a coordinated motion. No leader, no plan, and yet together they create a beautiful organized behavior. Think about this. No single bird understands the shape of the flock. Each bird simply responds to nearby birds, following a few simple rules: matching direction, avoiding collisions, and staying close to the group. These simple local interactions create a network of influence, and from the network, the coordinated motion of the entire flock emerges. Similarly, ants. No single ant knows the shortest path, but the colony finds it anyway. In the same way, no neurons thinks, but together they create intelligence. With this approach, let's make the brain. Brain is made up of billions of neurons. Let's introduce a proxy for a neuron. Each neuron does just three things. It activates, it sends signals, it adjusts connections. If you repeat the process, and when many neurons connect together, they form a network. And in this network, some neurons receive inputs, some process information, some produce output. And through this process, thoughts and actions emerge. Here is an example. Scientists discovered that some neurons detect lines or edges. No single neuron detect full line. Let's understand how a brain detects a gradient line. Some neurons detect patterns in the line. Some neurons detect structure in the line. Some neurons detect color of the line. And together they detect a line. So the ability to see shapes is not built into one neuron. It emerges from many neurons working together. Now here is the crazy part. The same idea explains modern artificial intelligence. Neural networks in artificial intelligence work just like the brain. They learn patterns, they build features layer by layer, they are not explicitly programmed. For example, in image recognition, lower layers detect edges, higher layers detect shapes, final layers detect objects, just like our brain does. Here is the biggest takeaway: intelligence is not designed, it emerges. Your thoughts, your decisions are not controlled by a central controller inside your brain. They are the results of billions of tiny interactions happening all the time. Yep, that's it from my side. See you, folks.